Hello and welcome to Mathematics Made Easier channel. This is your favorite mathematics tutor, Comfort Amuakon Ata. A very big congratulations to all graduates out there. In fact, your teachers are really proud of you. So as you are enjoying your summer break, do not forget to be learning alongside, because eventually you move to the next step in your academic ladder. And the more or the higher you go, the tougher it becomes. So do not relax at all as you're home. Do some studies. All right, so for today, we are going to go through some integers, how to solve questions on integers. All right. So let's see. When you say integers, what is it at all? So you can say integers are negative and positive whole numbers, right? Okay. You can represent integers on a number line and also in real life situations. So in real life situation, integers can be associated with debts for negative values. So if I have a negative value, it can also be what? As a depth or below the sea level. So we have so many instances that we can associate with integers, either positive or negative whole numbers. All right, now pick your jotters as you go along with me through these examples. So as I read a question, you tell me whether this is a negative number or a positive value. So the first one is James withdrew $80 from his bank account. So when you say withdrew means there has been a loss, there has been a minus, there has been a deduction. So this will be a negative word, 80, right? Withdrew. It means no matter how many or how much dollar you may have, there will be a reduction in the amount. Now let's see the second one. Harry adds 18 more. That is a key word there. 18 more, adds 8. So there is what? An additional toy cars to whatever Harry was having. So it means what? Plus 18, which is a positive value now. Kevin took 5 crayons to school and lost them all. So tell me this. It means there has been a deduction. He lost them all. Lost. So minus 5. Okay, so let's see. Lillian received $10 as pocket money. So the key word is what? Received. So it means Lillian got more money, or she had, $10 from her dad. So it means now she has this to herself, which is a plus, a positive value. Let's see the number 5. Mr. Johnson was fined $13. Was fined $13. It means that he has to pay this $13 out of whatever amount he has. So there will be a loss. There will be a reduction from whatever he has. So he was fined. So it means negative what? $13. So negative value. Are you getting what I'm trying to put up? Good. Anna's vegetable patch yielded 26 tomatoes in all. So she had there was some kind of, it's yielded. So it means this is giving us plus 26. All right. Okay. Let's see number 7. Danny distributed 9 cupcakes to his friends on Thanksgiving. So in this instance, Danny gave out. So Danny will lose 19 cupcakes. Okay. So Danny will lose, which is giving us a negative value. James' friend gave him. It means he had an additional, or he had something. He gained. So that was a plus what? 7. Plus 7. Boston recorded a sub-zero. Sub-zero. It means below the 0 degrees. And as compared to the number line, if it is a value that falls below the negative, below the 0 degrees, it becomes negative values. Above the 0 degrees becomes what? Positive values. It is the same thing. You try to relate it to whatever you've learned. So the number 10 says, so this is what minus 31. Number 10 is the university basketball match team lost. Sorry for that. So they lost their 12 points. So it means minus 12. Minus 12. So basically, these can also be used in a real life situation, as I earlier on said. That is for integers. So these are some questions relating to the everyday life situation. We try to relate you losing something is a negative, and you gaining something becomes a positive value. So before you can solve the addition and subtraction of integers, then you need to understand these situations and how to put them. Yes. So now let's see and solve 1 or 2 examples under addition and subtraction of integers. Addition and subtraction of integers. Okay. All right. Let's see. Yes, I'll take you through 1 or 2 examples. Okay. I'll take you through 1 or 2 examples, and I believe you would also practice more on your own. All right, so the first example I have here is what? Negative 13 minus 15. So in this case, one thing about integers is when 2 negatives meet, it becomes what? Positive. So this 2 negative meeting means positive. So you are having negative 13 plus 5, which is giving us a negative 8. Okay, we take the 13 as a debt. So let's assume I'm owing someone $13 or 13 cedis. But when I was coming to school, I was given only $5 or 5 cedis. And if I pay 5 cedis out of the 13 cedis I'm owing, I will be still owing the person 8 cedis, 8 Ghana cedis. All right, so let's see the second example. 7 minus 11. This means that the 2 negative meeting makes your statement over here positive. Your mathematical operation here positive. So you're getting 7 plus 11, which is what? At 18. Okay, let's see number 2. -9 minus -6. You are owing or you borrowed $9 from someone. You've not paid your debts and you still borrowed $16 again from another friend. Not paid your debts, any of your debts. So your debt has increased to what? $25, which is a debt. So we take negatives as what? Debt. So you're getting -25. So always translate the mathematical statement to the language which you would understand it before you can solve it. 20 minus 3 means you're owing $3, but you have $20 on you. So if you pay your $3 out of the $20 that mommy gave to you, it means you'll be left with $17, which is your money. That is not a debt. It is your money. So which is a plus. That is 17. Once again, if you see a number without any operation sign in front, like a plus in front, it is a positive. So if you see 17 without any operation sign, it is a positive value. But the moment I put a negative minus in front, it becomes what? A negative value. We can represent this on the number line like this. So I have 20 minus 3. So let's say I have my number line. Then I have 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my goodness, I'll get a lot of values. Okay, let's increase it over here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, sorry. Oh goodness, 18, 19, 20. All right. So let's assume there's a number line, okay? And I want to find the value of my answer for 20 minus 3. Now I first stand on 20 like this. Let me choose another color, okay? I first stand on 20 like this. Then since it's a minus, I'll move backwards. How many times? 3 times. So let's see the number in which we are going to land on. So 1, 2, 3. Good. We land on 17. Good. So you can either use your everyday life activity or represent it on the number line. And it's going to be very easy for you to get your answer. Okay. Now we come to number 6. I will leave you here. That's number 6. -10 minus 10. So what did I say about when two negatives are meeting? It becomes what? Positive. So you're having -10 plus 10. I'm owing $10. I have $10 on me. The moment I get to school, the person now start attacking me. Now, Miss A, my $10. I humbly handle my $10 to the person to pay the person off, right? So now, do I have any money on me? No. So it means that it becomes what? 0. It becomes 0. And you can still represent this on the number line. So let's say I have 0 here, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, and -10. So now where do I start with? Where do I start from? I start from -10 because it's negative 10 minus minus. Now the minus minus becomes plus, so I move forward 10 steps or 10 jumps. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Where did you land on? We landed on the number 0. So this is giving us what? 0. Is it difficult? No. It is so simple. So I'll leave you here to practice more examples on your own. So let me leave you to do this with these questions. All right, so solve from question 7 and 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Solve it and present your answer at the comments section. So my next tutorial will be on multiplication and division of integers. Then we move to probability. We've done all these ones in our previous tutorials, but we are re-emphasizing on it. We are using different strategies. You know, we don't only have one way of solving mathematics. We have so many ways of solving mathematics. So if you solve this, you can present your answer at the comment section and I'll review it for you. Thank you so much for your time and attention. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please look down there and click on the subscribe button to subscribe. Then you also click on the notification bell to receive updates from me all the time. So as you enjoy your summer break, be good at home, do what you love doing best, and also solve mathematics. So we meet again. Please stay safe and learn hard. Bye.